Today's lesson is drawing offset for conduits in 3D mode or 3D view. Okay. Before you start, make sure that your angle is set to the degrees angle or decimal degrees, and your slope also decimal degrees. And we're going to have right now to do this offset, we're going to use 30 degrees. So under electrical settings, angles, set an angle increment. We're going to set it to 30 degrees. Okay, and now we're going to create conduit. We have it at 9 foot, and I want to now lower it down to say 7 or 8 foot. As you can see, because I had that increment set to 30 degrees, it drew the offset at 30 degrees. Okay, so let's say we have a situation where we're editing conduit, and so as you can see here, I started down here, I come up, and I'm coming down. So this is two situations that you might have. I'm going to raise these both to 9 feet. Okay, this technique works really well, but you kind of have to know which way the conduit's running. Sometimes you have to do it and undo. So in this case, because I started down here, I know I select this pipe, this conduit first. I do create similar, and then I can start from here and draw back down, and I get a 30-degree slope. If I did the same thing over here, create similar, and then go up, it's going to give me an error. It's not going to like that. So we just undo that, and just knowing that I drew it backwards, I can just do this same thing, but the other direction. As you can see, it drew 30 degrees. Okay, now this is drawing our modeling conduit in 3D. This method definitely works better in 2D views versus 3D. You don't have to worry about which way you created the conduit. So definitely 2D views are a much simpler way of creating conduit in using this technique. I do have other videos, like I said, in 2D shows you. You can see it's much easier to do, but it can be done in 3D. All right, till next time.